People are spending $20 a month on ChatGPT Plus, $30 on Midjourney, $22 on 11 Labs. That's over $70 a month on AI tools. What if I told you there are free alternatives that do 90% of the same thing? I tested them all, side by side. Here are the best free AI tools you should be using right now. The paid option, ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month. The free alternatives, Google Gemini, free, fast, connected to the internet, great for research. Claude, free tier, best for writing and long documents. Microsoft Copilot, free, uses GPT-4 under the hood, completely free. Perplexity, free, AI search engine, cites its sources. The verdict, for 90% of what people use ChatGPT for, the free tier of Claude or Google Gemini handles it. Save your $20. Here's something most people don't realize. The difference between GPT-4 free and GPT-4 paid is mainly about usage limits and speed, not capability. If you're not hitting the daily message cap, the free tier gives you essentially the same quality output. The trick is learning to use these tools well. A skilled prompt on the free tier beats a lazy prompt on the paid tier every single time. For research specifically, Perplexity AI is genuinely better than ChatGPT Plus because it searches the live web and shows you its sources. You can verify information instead of hoping the AI isn't hallucinating. That's a significant advantage for anyone who needs accurate current information. The paid option, Midjourney, $30 a month. The free alternatives, Microsoft Copilot Image Creator, free, uses DALL-E 3, same quality. Leonardo AI, free tier, 150 free images per day. Playground AI, free, solid quality, easy to use. Ideogram, free tier, best free option for text and images. The verdict, Copilot Image Creator is literally DALL-E 3 for free. Unless you need Midjourney's specific aesthetic style, you don't need to pay. Let me be more specific about when the free tools fall short. Midjourney's strengths are its artistic quality, its cinematic framing, and its ability to produce images that have a very distinctive premium look. If you need that specific aesthetic for high-end marketing materials or creative portfolios, the paid version might be worth it. But for thumbnails, social media graphics, product mock-ups, or anything business practical, Copilot Image Creator produces stunning results at zero cost. I've tested the same prompts side by side, and for business use cases, the free DALL-E 3 output is indistinguishable in quality from what you'd pay for. Leonardo AI's free tier gives you 150 images per day. That's more than enough for most creators. The paid option, Jasper AI, $49 a month. The free alternatives, ChatGPT free tier, solid for most writing tasks. Google Gemini, great for blog posts and research. Notion AI, limited free, built into your workspace. Copy.ai free tier, marketing copy specifically months. The verdict, Jasper at $49 a month is robbery. ChatGPT free or Claude free does the same thing. The reason Jasper costs so much is the branding and the templates. Marketers like the polished interface and the workflow tools. But the underlying model quality? It's comparable to what you get from ChatGPT or Claude for free. Here's the honest comparison. I ran identical content briefs through Jasper and through Claude's free tier. The output quality was essentially the same. Claude's prose was actually cleaner in most cases. The Jasper interface is nicer, but $49 a month nicer? Absolutely not. The exception is if you're running a marketing team that needs collaboration features and workflow management baked into the tool. For individual creators and small business owners, the free options win every time. The paid option, InVideo AI, $25 a month. The free alternatives, CapCut, free, AI captions, effects, templates built in. Canva, free tier, basic video creation with AI features. Clipchamp, free, built into Windows. Microsoft's free editor with AI. FlexClip, free tier, AIP, powered video maker. The verdict, CapCut is genuinely incredible for free. The AI auto captions alone save hours. For full auto-generated videos, the paid tools still have an edge, but for editing, CapCut wins. CapCut deserves a deeper mention here because it's become one of the most powerful free tools available to content creators. The AI auto caption feature transcribes your audio and adds animated captions automatically. It takes about 30 seconds, and the accuracy is impressive. Creators who used to spend an hour manually adding captions are now doing it in under a minute. The AI background removal, the auto cutout features, and the smart color grading tools are all genuinely useful and all completely free. The limitation compared to InVideo AI is that CapCut doesn't auto-generate a full video from a text prompt. You're still doing the editing yourself. But for the editing side, it's as good as tools that cost $25 to $50 per month. The paid option, 11 Labs, $5 to $22 a month. The free alternatives, 11 Labs free tier, 10,000 characters month, enough for 1 to 2 videos. Natural Reader free tier, decent TTS, ttsmp3.com free, basic but functional. Google Cloud TTS free tier, 4 million characters month free. The verdict, 11 Labs free tier is actually usable for getting started. Once you scale, the $5 a month plan is worth it. The voice quality gap is real here. This is the one category where I'll say the paid upgrade has the most tangible real-world difference. Voice quality matters. When you listen to a robotic or slightly unnatural voice for 7 minutes, it affects engagement. 11 Labs at even the free tier produces voices that are remarkably human. The 10,000 free characters translates to roughly 7 to 10 minutes of audio, enough for 1 or 2 YouTube videos per month. If you're just testing the waters with faceless content creation, that's enough to validate your concept before spending anything. Google Cloud TTS's 4 million free characters per month is technically more generous, but the voice quality doesn't match 11 Labs. The paid option, GitHub Copilot, $10 a month. The free alternatives, Cursor free tier, AI code editor, very powerful. Codium, free, autocomplete for code, works in VS Code, Amazon Code Whisperer free, solid autocomplete, ChatGPT free, paste your code, get fixes. The verdict, Codium is shockingly good for free. If you code at all, install it immediately. Codium offers real-time AI code completion that rivals Copilot in most everyday situations. It integrates with VS Code, JetBrains IDEs, and most popular editors. The suggestions are context-aware. It reads your entire file and understands what you're trying to build, not just the line you're on. For beginners and hobbyist coders, the ChatGPT free tier as a coding assistant is incredibly effective. Paste your error message, explain what you're trying to do, and it walks you through the fix. It won't be as seamlessly integrated as an in-editor tool, but for occasional coding tasks, it's completely free and completely functional. That's hundreds of dollars in AI tools, replaced by free alternatives. The AI industry wants you to think you need premium subscriptions for everything. You don't. Start free, upgrade only when you hit a real limit, and be honest with yourself about whether that limit is actually affecting your results or just your comfort with the premium interface. The general rule, if a free tool does 90% of what the paid tool does, the 10% difference needs to generate clear, measurable value before it's worth paying for. Most people who upgrade to premium AI tools do it because of FOMO, not because of genuine need. Want more breakdowns like this? Subscribe to Node Pulse. I test AI tools so you don't waste money. Hit that subscribe button. See you next time.